She don't even cook for real.
Now I'm catching feelings, baby.
I've been craving this so bad. I'm about to kill this. Got my butter, my onions. I don't even cook for real, so we're gonna see how this turns out. Here is Surimi. I told y'all I'm not a cooker. And you know, I never really thought to cook because I never really had anybody to cook for. But now I'm cooking for myself. But no, shout out to Deja because she taught me. Shout out to my bitch Dej. Shout out to you, bitch. Shout out to you. I'm so happy. I think these eggs are done because I'm ready to eat. Using one. What the fuck? That bullshit. What the bullshit I'm talking about? I never know how long to keep eggs boiling, but they look pretty good. I think. Shit. Okay, yeah. Shit. Oh my gosh, I hate when they come out like that. What happened, baby? I'm being too rough. Oh no, it is what it is. Mm-hmm. She better be hitting. Stop fucking playing with me. Stop playing with me. Y'all want to see? Oh yeah. Yeah, maybe like make it probably like a little bit more butter. But yeah. All right, where's my damn lemon? I love lemons. I just eat them regular, deadly. Hard ass. Not in it. Like, do you want me to get to the lemon? You about to do a challenge. Yeah, I'm about to see how much push-ups I can do without stopping. How many push-ups is that? I'm like 12. Are you eating some of this food? Huh? You don't know. Boy, if you don't, more for me. For real. Yes. Yes, what? Yes, I will. So I can do 20 in a row without stopping. You do 20 in a row without stopping? Yeah. Yeah, actually, you heard it though. You heard it? Yes. Yeah, push-ups hurt. I'm just making some sauce for the side. Mm. Stop it. Damn, I want another lemon. Mm. Yes, baby. Huh? Which fat are you talking about? Like the big part. FAT. Not spell part. HER. Now, what's that component? Father. Yo! How did you get that? I thought you was going to say fat hurt. Because I already saw it. Fat hurt. What are you making? It is imitation crab. What is imitation crab? What is it? Yeah. He don't like this part. He don't like the yellow part. It's crazy. But I like the yellow part a little bit now. Alright. I'll leave a little bit of yellow part there. That my boy? Yeah. Huh? What's wrong? If you don't like it, I can eat it. Alright? It's a little wet. Here, go sit down. Alright, let's see how this tastes. Yeah, let's see how it tastes. Need something. More lemon. That's what I usually put in this. Now turn off the air conditioner real quick for my YouTube. It's hot. For my video. It's hot, boy. You can turn it off for a second, but then you need to turn it back on. With the remote. You put some pepper in there. So my son knows that I'm still learning to cook. What? A review? All right. Well, I'm gonna stand right here, so I don't know what you want. Woo! You. All right. Did you eat it? My Lanta. Can I get a lamb? I thought I gave you one. What? I did the shit. I seasoned it just right. Mm. Alright. Good. Really good. 8 out of 10. I'll take that. Alright. Again. I'm gonna put my plate right here so I don't spill anything. Oh, it's actually pretty good. So I'm gonna put the clams inside of the egg, right? And then I'm gonna mix the lemon. Then I'm gonna try it. Went down the wrong pipe. Now this is really good. And the rating for the last bite I took, probably a 7. It's not prepared as this. Talking about the egg and oh boy, you don't have no sauce on the egg. That's why. I did put sauce on the egg. Gotta put sauce on the egg. Like hibachi, but inside the house. Lemony, but pretty good. Let's see. I might have done the same bite again. Alright, now to dip the clams inside of this. Isn't it butter stuff, Mommy? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Told you you needed the sauce. Nobody wants to listen to that mom. You know, ready? 3, 2. That was actually good. Mm-hmm. Alright, now for the next one. Sauce. Same as. Very good. Very. I need the eggs. Alright, let me put the clams in. It's like packing a turkey, you know? Turkey. But it's packing the egg with the crab. Clever. Clever man. Y'all might have to watch this. It's pretty entertaining. That was good. Take the rest of this egg because dip it in the sauce. Not wasting it. Wasting it. No egg. Yeah.
I'm full.
Sorry, I would, but it's okay. Why?
Summer night, human night,
Why? So.
All right, I think I'm done. Damn, that lemon's so good. I love lemons.
Yeah.
Lemons are good. Lemons are so good. They just.
Alright, guys. Peace out. Because my iPad will be at 5%. I know this was entertaining. How about this? Every week, I get. Wait my performance, Mom.
7.5.
I take that.
Don't ever say I didn't make you nothing. What'd you say? Definitely won't. That's right, boo. Mom, baby.
Yeah, this is enough to make a grown man go to sleep.
Absolutely. I'm so happy you liked it.
One of the best food I had in days.
I'm pretty full. I think I ate everything. But I'm happy. That was good. And my son liked it.
Huh.
That's how you know it was good.
Now guess what?